In previous video, we have been constructed one portfolio, 15 stock portfolio we already constructed, and we know how much amount need to be invested in each stock. Okay, out of that 1 lakh rupees, for example, I will make it as a 1 lakh rupees. Okay, in that 1 lakh rupees, how much I need to be invested in each stock, I already know that one. Okay, now we will construct same portfolio for our reference in a money control. We'll go to money control. First we have to sign in, we have to log in, where we will be having that option here on right hand side, where I'm moving a cursor. The login option is there. Click on that login option. You can log in with a Facebook or log in with a Google, both are possible, or you can create your own account also by using sign up. We'll log in with a Google. It will take a moment to log in with my name. Okay, I have been logged in here. I have been logged in now. Okay, once you have been logged in, okay, we have to go to portfolio here. Okay, here home tab is there, the menu tab. In menu tab, you have to select a portfolio. Once you selected a portfolio, you will be having a blank screen. In a sense, everything will be zero. Okay, I already created one portfolio. For that reason, it is showing here some values. Otherwise, everything will be shown 0. Okay, in that we need to add one account. In my account section here, we can add a account. Okay, we can add a account. Just click here to add account and give some name. Like you can give a name like top 15. Okay, like that you can give some name to your account for your reference. You can create n number of portfolio here, so that it will be asking which portfolio it is. You have to give that portfolio name. Once you have been added that account, here it will be there. Okay, once you have been added that account, then go to a dashboard again. Click on here dashboard. Okay, then scroll down here. After adding, here add transactions are there. Add transaction is nothing but adding all the stocks, with that particular amount. Okay, click on that add transactions. Click on that add transaction. Then we will adding which account it need to be added. So that particular account we has to select. I will select a demo account because already constructed and added 13 stock among 15. Okay, we'll select demo account for adding. Okay, here stock we have to add. We have to add a stock. Okay, here buy we have to buy the stock. For that reason, first 13 stock already I have been added to that demo account. So now we will add Bajaj Finance. What we have to do? We have to type here Bajaj Finance. We have to search for a Bajaj Finance. Stock name Bajaj Finance. Current value of the stock is 3,544 rupees. How much amount I need to invest in a Bajaj Finance? Around 16,000 rupees. In the sense, if I divide that with a 16,000 divided by 3,500, how much it will come? I can invest around 4 stocks. Okay, how much stocks I can invest? I can invest around 4 stocks. Okay, I can invest. If I select a 5 stock, it will go above my budget. So I will select a 4 stocks. Okay, 4 stock. It will be within my budget. Total amount will be 14,000. My budget is 16,000. So I will select a 4 stocks. Then add one more stock. So I will select again here, add more transaction. Again, stock name, which is the next stock, Axis Bank. I can invest around 6,000 rupees in a Axis Bank. Axis Bank, we have to select Axis Bank. Once you have been selected, it will show here price. Okay, Axis Bank price, it will be shown. Okay, how much quantity I need to buy? Because I need 6,000. Price is around 447. So if I divide that one, divide by 447, I can invest around 14 stock. I can buy around 14 stocks. Okay, I will buy 14 stocks of the Axis Bank. Once I have been entered, if you have more stocks, for example, 15 stocks can be uploaded at a time. In the sense, again we have to click on a add more transaction. If you have some more transaction, I already added first 13 stocks. Okay, for that reason, to show you guys, I have been taken a 2 stock need to be added. Otherwise, it will take a time. Okay, so we'll add these 2 stocks to the existing portfolio. Select add transaction. It will take a time to add. Once it is added, it will show transaction successful. Okay, now you can see, if you go to the dashboard, the value is around 1 lakh rupees. It will be somewhere more than 1 lakh rupees, because we will not be able to purchase for exact amount. Some of the stock may be available at higher or lower price. Okay, for that reason, by considering that, we came to know that how much we have been invested. Okay, this is the invested amount. Okay, this is the last value, in the sense, if you consider the 1 day transaction. Okay, after 1 day, I have been lost around 107 rupees. Okay, total my gain, that is nothing but your portfolio under loss. 1 day back we have been considered. Okay, then here realized gain. If you are selling off any of the stock, you will get here realized gain, capital gain, if anything happened, or other gain. Here dividend and all, it will be shown here. And today stock has been given a 47 rupees, all stock together given a 47 rupees profit for my investment. Okay, we can able to read all the stocks here. Okay, we can go here stocks to check all the stocks. Okay, we can see here all the stock. Out of 15 stock, 6 are in positive, 9 are in negative. It will show. Okay, and which is the top gainer and losing stock, top losing stock, top gaining stock, and all the stock will be shown here. Okay, all the stocks will be shown here, and with recommendation, what kind of sentiment is there in a market, and what happened overall, is it in a positive or in negative, and how much you have been invested, how much quantity you have been brought, and what you have been paid. Okay, now how much you have been paid, and the portfolio percentage, 6% out of that portfolio, and latest value and live value. All the things you can check here, and you can generate a report also. If you go to report section, okay, you can say transaction history I would like to get, or profit and loss history I would like to get, or consolidated holding I would like to get. Okay, you can generate each and every report. Performance, you can generate a report. In the sense, Excel report you can generate. Okay, for all the stock, it will showing that what happened in 1 month, 1 year, 6 months. Okay, what happened to your holding. Okay, that will be you can get you can use this one for your further analysis also. Okay, so by using a money control, you can build a portfolio by using here in a dashboard, by adding a portfolio. Here add the portfolio, and add all the stock by using a add transactions. Okay, once you have been added transaction, you can take a print of those transactions also. You can download also. Okay, you can export to Excel all the transactions and stock values, and you can refer the stocks, which are the stocks you have been invested, what current situation about a stock here. And if you are invested in a mutual fund, you can add mutual fund also here. Okay, if you are like to generate a report, you can generate a report related to your portfolio. Okay, this is about constructing a portfolio. For your reference, one demo portfolio construction I have been shown by using a money control. Okay, in coming videos, we will learn about managing a portfolio, how to manage a portfolio actively and passively in a coming videos. We'll learn in a coming videos.